Well, decided to get the family out and go for a little john boat ride here and, show you guys a little more of the Great Loop. At least our section. Well, ladies and gentlemen, weather might be turning on us pretty quick. Guess you'll have to stick around and find out what happens. All right, everyone. Right here is what I've talked about with the Illinois River. We are currently in about a foot and a half water. It might be almost 2 under the boat, but as Britton always says, you can never do the waves justice. But I mean, I don't know, 20-inch sides on the john boat, it kind of does them justice here. All right, go ahead and stick around. So while these areas might look big and wide and everything, but on a river it's shallow. Just got to remember that. Illinois River off of the channel is 3 foot at best. A lot of spots it's 2 foot. But hey, the dogs are having a good time. And right over here, folks, is a Illinois River duck blind. Don't ask me anything about it, I'm not a duck hunter. Hey, what's that saying? Smooth sea doesn't make a skilled sailor. Well, it's not very smooth out, but it's definitely not the worst I've seen, so there's that. Just a nice little transit. Our normal launch was being dredged, so good job, Spring Bay, Illinois. Unfortunately, I call it the duck hunter. It's Woodford State Recreation Refuge or something like that. Basically, it's where all the duck hunters launch and go out to their blinds, or at least right in this little stretch of the river. I've ran across them many times. There's 3 or 4 blinds over here in the area. I'll show you a couple now. There's one right next to that tree. There's another one. All right. I think I'm gonna have to clean that fuel tank out because I can go about like right there, and then it starts like puttering out. So all right, I guess this will be a typical Bella Project video, and mission abort. It's not really a true abort. We're just gonna take precautions and go back to the launch and try to figure out what's wrong with this motor. It's 26 years old. It's probably got 2,000 hours on it between me and the old guy that had it before me. She might be a little tired. I don't know. 26 years old, I started getting a little tired too, so at least the dog's having fun, except for she wants to be on the beach. Both of them do. Raven likes to swim where she can touch the water, so there's that. Well, DIY camera guy, you're just gonna have to wait for the tugboat tour. Sorry, man. I did what I could. Some pretty cool shots from here, though. I mean, 8x zoom. All right, here's a little close-up. since we had motor problems, I figured I might as well, you know, shoot something worth a while. I don't know how much worthwhile this is, but some ingenuity. I'm not gonna go in it because I don't want to do that, but nice little spot. You enjoying it, Phoebe? You enjoying it? Yeah? You enjoying? It'd be better if we were at a beach, right? Oh, look at that sunset behind us. It's, well, I wouldn't say sunset. Sun shining through the clouds. I don't know, we got rain. Look at that. That is just beautiful. I don't care who you are. If you want to go out on the water, go out on the water. It's just, you know, I might have actually burnt like $2 worth of gas. I wish I would have got that on camera. There was a huge carp jump. That's just something we got to deal with here on the Illinois River. Should probably try to figure out where we came from. There was a pole out here. Oh well. Would you guys look at that? We literally have weaved the storm this whole entire time. Yeah, it's just to demonstrate how shallow the Illinois River is, especially in these backwaters. Got a standard paddle. We're like right there. I mean, we were in the mud, as you can see, so yeah, you don't got a lot of draft. That's why being a shallow drafter is important. The sun will come out. No, I'm not doing that. All right, guys. Well, this was a short one, I'm sure, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and maybe we'll eventually get you guys a full Great Loop video of the area I live in. So, until next time, see you guys.